Hey folks, Debbie and I are in the Ozark National Scenic Riverways, and we were on our way down to Eminence, and we saw the sign for Two Rivers Landing, and it's been a long time since we've been here, so we decided to come on down. It was about 2 miles off of the road. I don't have my gimbal, so excuse the shaky footage. We're gonna go check out the primitive campground here.
They do have flush toilets though. That's a plus.
Yeah. We are in Shannon County. Two Rivers Landing. Yeah, there's a canoe outfitter here. There's a campground, and this is the confluence of the Jack's Fork into the current river. Lots of canoes today. It's a Sunday, so and it's been raining quite a bit, so I'm not sure if we have all these canoes because it's a Sunday and everybody's going home, or if it's because of the rain. I'm not sure. There's Debbie down there with her dog Bugsy. This is owned by the United States National Park Service and is a U.S. fee area. Ozark National Scenic Riverways. Lots of campsites open. Again, it is a Sunday, so there's a boat ramp at the end of this road, and there's some overflow parking, flush toilets, and looks like a boat ramp down the street here. So yeah, Two Rivers, and it's on the current river, again at the confluence of Jack's Fork and the current river. We'll check in a little later. Now, what we're looking at in this clip is the site of the National Park Service Concessionaire. On the left is where the old concessionaire building used to be, and it was washed out by the flood. And the camping trailer there is the temporary location for the concessionaire. I was talking to her, and she said she lost everything except for her canoes and kayaks. She was able to get those to high ground. Now, you can see the level of the river here in this scene. It seems to be way down there. In my estimation, it was about 80 feet down. So the water came up very high here. It was a 1,000-year flood. You can also see an existing debris field on the left-hand side.
Up a little bit.
Yeah, this is a beautiful spot.
Oh, it really is.
But you can see a lot of trees blown down into the river here. I'm sure there was a massive collection of trees after the flood. So you could still see some remnants of that flood. From, when was the flood? Didn't we come down here?
It was May? Wasn't it in May?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we came down in June.
In June, yeah. Just for the day to check it out.
Yeah. And now we're in August. I mean, that's still some of the
Yeah,
debris left over.
debris, exactly.
Oh, it's so beautiful, though. You're probably not really going to get, I don't know, in the movie, I don't think you'll really get how beautiful it really is.
No.
It's crystal clear. Two spring-fed rivers running right together. That's so beautiful.
We are still at Two Rivers Landing. We went down to the very end of the road, and we came down here to the boat ramp. So this is the boat ramp at Two Rivers Landing. This is a place where a lot of people take their canoes out of the water, and then they'll have a shuttle bus that shuttles them back to their campground. There's my van, hashtag van life. And here's the boat ramp. And that is the current river, which starts to get pretty wide down here, and it does widen as it travels south. Current river. We are going to head into Eminence. So